how we can go ahead and create this texture as a seamless texture so that we don't have these seams there anymore. And I will show you how easy and fast it is. So I have a texture here where I am using this master material, master opaque from the free pack I have uploaded on my website as free content. So I have went ahead and applied that as a parent material here. And now this texture is applied on this material. And I have to remove this seam fast and efficiently. There are multiple ways of doing it. I am showing you how I get it done. Okay. So what I will do is I will just right click on this texture and then I will go ahead and click on asset action. Then I will export it as a PNG is good enough for me. So I'll go to desktop and I will export it as PNG. Done. This texture is on desktop now. I will go ahead and open Krayon Bridge. Right. So you can go ahead and download Krayon Bridge and purchase it from the link in the description. I will give the link of this app of 10% discount. You can go ahead and purchase that if you like. So I will go on Krayon Bridge. I will go on tools and then I will click on generator. In generator, I will go ahead and click on choose source texture. And then I will go ahead and select this texture on desktop and I will open it. After I open it, I will select, you can select local or AI. So you can use your own PC to create that texture as seamless texture, or you can go ahead and use the AI. So I'll go ahead and not give any prompt for now, but at least for this texture because it's already marble. I'll go ahead and then click on some like test or marble. I'll give this tag here and yeah, that's it. All you have to do is just click on generate. Maybe I will go ahead and increase the resolution. So I'm using Google Gemini 2.5 Flash for now. You can go ahead and use lots of model if you want. And when you are using AI, you can also use local. And then I will increase the resolution. So I will increase the output scale to maybe 2x. I will leave all those things default and I will click on this like it's already clicked seamless output. And now I just need to go ahead and click generate PBR material. As you can see, this texture has been generated. I will click on import to library, marble test PNG. Click import to library and I will name it as marble test 2 and click import. After that, I will go to local material and then I can see it on here, marble test 2. Easy. I'll just go ahead and click on this. I have the texture now and along with the diffuse, I have AO, displacement, metallic, normal and roughness. I'll go back to Unreal Engine now and I'll just select maybe marble and roughness and normal. That's enough for me. But I'll go ahead and make a new folder here. I'll go inside this and then I will go ahead and select this three texture. Select this 3 texture and then drag and drop it. And then I will go ahead and save them. And you see here we have this tileable texture now. All I have to do is select this and so earlier we were having texture with tiling visible and now it's gone. And I can just go ahead and click I want to use normal texture, apply it. But I will not apply a normal texture on a marble. Maybe I will apply a roughness texture on marble for sure. So I'll go ahead and apply the normal texture here. And now I can go ahead and increase or decrease the roughness, right? So I will go ahead and decrease the roughness to 0.215. And yeah, you see reflection is here now and seam is not there anymore. So I will make it 0.25. So absolutely seamless texture just in less than a minute. So if I didn't have to explain it, it was going to take me less than 45 seconds or max 1 minute to make a perfectly seamless texture out of any texture using Krayon Bridge. So if you want to purchase this tool, you will get the link in the description with 10% discount. See you all in the next video. Till then, have a great time.